Just how much is 1/2 of 1/2 of a pie? Well, let's start by taking a whole pie and cutting it into 4 pieces. So each piece is 1/4 of the pie. Now, if we only had 1/2 of the pie, then we would only shade 2 of those pieces. And now suppose we want to have 1/2 of 1/2 of the pie. So of those 2 pieces, I shade only 1 of them. And that means I end up with 1 of the 4 pieces shaded. So notice from the picture that 1/2 of 1/2 of a pie, that is also a picture of 1/4 of a pie. This suggests that 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. The numerator of the answer is the product of the numerators of the factors being multiplied, while the denominator of the answer is the product of the denominators of the factors being multiplied. So put another way, when multiplying fractions together, just multiply straight across. So when it comes to multiplying fractions, you multiply the numerators. This becomes the numerator of the final product. You multiply the denominators. This becomes the denominator of the final product. And then you reduce to lowest terms if necessary. So symbolically, a over b times c over d can be written as a times c over b times d. And again, we need the denominator to not be 0, so the b and d cannot be 0. So 2/3 times 5/7, that's going to be 2 times 5 over 3 times 7. So 10 over 21. And that is as simplified as we're going to get. 4/9 times 4/5 is 4 times 4 over 9 times 5. That would be 16 over 45. 2/3 of a litter of 6 kittens are females. How many of the kittens are females? Well, think of 2/3. The word of is essentially saying multiplication. And then you have 6 kittens, which I'll write as 6 over 1. So that's 2 times 6 over 3 times 1. That's 12 over 3, which is 4 kittens are female. Healthy fingernails normally grow about 3/2 inch per year. So 3/2 would be 3 over 2. How much do healthy fingernails grow in a month? So a month is 1/12 of a year. So I can just multiply this by 1/12. And that comes to be 3 times 1 over 2 times 12. And then 3 goes into 24 8 times, so this reduces to 1/8 of an inch per month.